Hi, Brian Beckcom here, founding partner of VB Attorneys. I have some breaking news to report. On March 30th, 2018, a jury in Arizona awarded a woman $3.6 million, finding that she was harmed by an IVC filter made by a company called CR Bard. An IVC filter is an inferior vena cava filter. The lawsuit claimed that CR Bard failed to warn her about the defective nature of the filter. According to the lawsuit, after the filter was placed in her body, it broke, then moved and tore her IVC, which is the blood vessel that carries blood from the lower body to the heart. There's evidence in these cases that these devices have a higher failure rate and complications. And right now there are thousands of lawsuits against CR Bard, over 3,500 lawsuits and counting. The cases are being joined together in something called an MDL, which is where a large number of similar cases are joined into one court for overall management. They're not class actions, but they're similar. There are another 3,800 lawsuits against a company called Cook Medical Incorporated for IVC filters. The failures of these devices can lead to terrible complications, including permanent damage to the lungs and other body parts, or even death. So what are the warning signs? Patients who have a failing IVC filter often have chest pain or shortness of breath. They go to the emergency room, and a medical professional can order tests that can determine if the IVC filter is to blame. So what can you do if you've been injured, if you know someone who's been injured by an IVC filter? First of all, make sure you seek immediate medical attention. Then, if it turns out the IVC filter was to blame, you have legal rights to seek compensation, which is probably best done by hiring a good lawyer to represent you in your legal claims. That's where we come in. If you believe you've been hurt by an IVC filter, give us a call toll-free at 877-724-7800 for a free and immediate confidential case review. We look forward to hearing from you.